So last night the weather was pretty crazy in the campsite here in Tromso. We didn't get much sleep. The van was rocking and the wind was just howling and the snow was just hitting the back door, so we didn't get sleep until the wind dropped, probably around 4 AM this morning. So we're having a bit of a late start today, but we are heading off towards the Lingen Alps, just on the other side of the fjord. Over there is the Lingen Alps, so just stunning. Today we are hiking up Fjellheisen, which is the mountain in Tromsdalen. Last year we went up on the cable car, but you can actually hike up there, and there's 2 routes for winter. So we're going to take the longer scenic route because we were told that it is safer and it's a more beautiful view from the top. So let's see how we go. So it's pretty cold out today. The car was just saying -12, so it's very fresh. We are getting there. The wind is picking up here and it is really cold on your face. So we've decided we are a little bit from the top, it's not far, but we've decided that we are happy with the view here because we can see part of the city that we haven't seen before from above. So it's pretty beautiful in the sun. It's right there. Absolutely freezing. My chin is frozen. Like my body doesn't know what's happening because it's warm, but the air is so cold.
Icy cold water. It's in the ice.
Don't know if you can see, but the water is starting to freeze. Like you're in the desert. Stacked it about 3 times already, so it's not a very fun time, it's very slippery. This afternoon we are attempting to go skiing. Why'd you look around?
Because we're going ice skating, not skiing.
Oh, sorry. Yeah, we're attempting to go ice skating, and Flocky is chicken and he's not going to do it.
I'm not doing it. I don't like ice skating. I can't do it. Like I physically, it just does not happen for me.
You usually have to push the little penguin.
I push my legs in.
So maybe I am going ice skating and Lockie is not.
It just doesn't work. Some people can do something, some people can do other things. I am one of the people that does other things.
Okay.
I would rather go snowboarding.
Oh, interesting.
Yes. Ashley is trying on her boots. This is a big moment in ice skating history. Oh, slipping already. It's a good start. There's a cafe here, you can warm up, it's pretty nice. Ooh. Superstar.
Not superstar, this ice is so slippery.
How come?
I don't know.
At least have you fallen over?
No, but my feet keep like moving in the boot, like rolling.
I always have that problem.
Scary.
This is the ice rink. Someone has fallen down there. You can see them.
I don't want that to be me.
Here comes the one and only Olympic winter sport athlete Ashley Harnwell on her ice skates through a double backflip.
Coming in hot.
Thought you were going to perform a double backflip.
That'll be next time.
Ah, okay. How's it all going?
It's getting better, but it's still very slippery compared to an indoor rink. The ice is like wet, or I don't know how to.
Yeah, I thought that's why I decided not to go. Yeah, you can go in there. I think it must be like some sort of hockey arena. Yeah, I don't know. That's where they did the backflips and stuff. Kids have got a tower going on.
Yeah, it's a big one. Tromso to watch the northern lights on the beach. It's nice and dark there. There's not too many street lights and things, so we headed out there earlier this afternoon to find a good spot to park up, and hopefully the northern lights will come out tonight. They have a high KP index tonight. I think it's 5, so that's pretty high, so chances are good, so we're hoping for a good show. Anything to say?
Peace.
So we're just driving and there's some reindeers charging at us. Not a bad park for the night. We actually stayed just at that little spot over there last year, but it's under construction at the moment, so the alternative spot is here. So it costs 60 krona for the night, so it's like €6, so it's really cheap and it's beautiful. We're right on the beach, so very nice. So weird to walk on sand. It's like rock hard, like frozen sand. It's really strange. Okay, so we are camped out on the beach and the northern lights have just come out. So this is what we're wearing tonight because it is freezing out. Ready to not buggle the northern lights, but just go watch them because the air on your face is just really cold by the water, and there's just like a humidity of fresh air and it's crazy. So we are ready. Just come in from a few hours out.
Wow, unbelievable. You could full on see it dancing in the sky.
Like magic.
That was probably the best we've ever seen it. You could see the pink in the lights.
Yeah, it was
unbelievable.
nuts.
We'll try and drop a time lapse while I'm talking over, but it is something I've never seen before. got so excited we even were falling over.
We were screaming and we could hear people across the other side of the bay screaming too. It was
Never
cool.
seen anything like that before.
Yeah.
Oops, yeah, just farted.
This morning we woke up by the beach near Tromso, and now we've driven back round towards Tromso to the next island over, and we call it Kabola, but it's definitely not what it's called, but that's just what we call it because we don't know how to say it and we can never remember how to. And it's a really nice day, the sun is out, so we're going to ski tour up the mountain. Lockie did it the other day and it was really nice and not too hard. So I bought myself some snowshoes because I don't have a split board. And I'm gonna snowshoe up the mountain, so hike up the mountain with my snowboard on my back and then come down. So we did it in Austria with a friend. We borrowed some snowshoes and it was okay, so hopefully it's all good, but it should be fun. Old bandage bear Lockie over there.
Yeah, fun time.
He's got sore blisters from new ski touring boots, so he's taping the heck out of his feet. So we're going somewhere across and then up, Lockie tells me, so we'll see, but we should get a really good view. We're ready.
Ready.
Alright, we're ready. Let's go down.
Ready to go down from halfway up.
Loggie's feet were too sore, so we are going back down, but it's alright. Still a good hike up.